A warm welcome to all parents on behalf of Walnut family. Myself Purva Joshi. I am a science teacher. I will brief you about Standard 4 Science. Some of you may have this question in your mind, why do we teach science? Yes, no doubt it's a good question. In CBSE curriculum, science starts only from 6th standard. But here at Walnut School, we are starting it right from the standard 1. We are keeping the concept and content language simple and easy so eventually students can learn the concepts in deep. We can slowly phase the whole idea of science starting from simple ones. This way, we can make their learning interesting and it improves the understanding for their higher standards. These are the added advantages at Walnut. Next point is how the students are taught. Now the question is how we are exactly teaching them in an easy and fascinating way. Our teaching is mainly based on 5 important key factors. Let's have a look at them. Presentation led teaching. We are explaining them in form of PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation, where all concepts are explained with the help of attractive diagram and pictures. We will take care that 1 or 2 concepts are covered in every period, so we can get ample of time for the discussion of the queries in the class. Students can complete their worksheet in the class. This type of system will not burden the students and most of the concepts or doubts can be cleared during the class. At the end of every topic, students will solve revision worksheet. Students will get quick recap of the lesson they learned with the help of this revision worksheet. Science curriculum is divided into 4 units. Let's have a quick look at them. Unit 1. Unit 1 covers the topics like properties of substances, water for every household, water safe for drinking, storage of water, and health and hygiene. Here in Unit 2, students will be familiar with interesting topics like bones and muscles, life cycle of animals, interdependence of living things, gift of trees. In Unit 3, students will learn something new about our clothes, food, birds, natural disaster. In Unit 4, students will cover topics which they can relate to their daily life, like growing food, watching out for our environment, home remedies for simple illness. I would like to highlight on one feature, that is Explore on Sheets. Explore on Sheet, as the name suggests, students can explore new things, build new interest and develop a research oriented mind. Students may find answers to their out of the box questions and get extra knowledge with these interesting sheets. Please note, this is very important point, that these sheets are not included in exam portion. Next important point is writing. The focus is on understanding the concept first, then reading a question in English on their own, understanding it, and responding accordingly. Questions are framed in a simple way. Language use for answers and explanation is easy. As I said, we are not using directly any technical or difficult word, but still all concept will be explained properly and basics for that particular topic are developed. Sample answers are given in the worksheet, but students have a choice. They can write the answers in their own words. So, students are learning science and at the same time writing answers neatly helps to revise the concept and practice English. Lot of revision, reading of the worksheet will be done in the class. Students are expected to study regularly at home and finish their worksheet on time. Students can even reread the text and notes at home. Let's move on to the main area, that is activities. Practical science activities have huge significance in learning process. Teacher shows demos, small experiments wherever applicable in the classroom. These activities will be done in activity room. Formal practicals will actually start from standard 6 only. These kind of activities will engage the students. This will help them to develop important skills and to understand few concepts practically. Here comes the most crucial aspect, that is studying. This involves reading of the worksheet, practicing the questions in the worksheet. There are MCQs, that is multiple choice question for each chapter. This you can access through app. Keep practicing those questions. This will help the students to revise the fundamentals. Let me brief you about examinations. Each term has 2 unit tests. These tests will be descriptive exams. Objective exam, that is MCQ, multiple choice questions, will be conducted in every unit. This will be their formative assessment. Best 2 out of 3 in each unit will be considered for marks. Unit test paper will be for 15 marks. Time duration for this paper will be half an hour. This paper will have subjective question where the students are expected to give a little explanation for their answers. So overall distribution of marks is 15 marks of subjective exam plus 10 marks of objective type of exam. Total 25 mark exam will be there. In this way, there are 25 marks for every unit. Please note here that there will be no term exam. Those start only after 6th standard. And yes, now I will explain you about portions for the exam. Each unit test will have a portion covered in that unit only. Exam will be based on the concepts that they have already learned in the class. And here comes the major point, that is exam practice. Students will be having practice tests in school. These tests are based on whole portion covering that complete unit, and all type of questions are included. Solving the practice test at school will make the students more confident, and the students are not stressed at all during the exams. As we are always here to support the students, home support is also plays an important role. Make sure students are attending the schools regularly. Let the students practice writing at home and encourage them for good handwriting. Motivate students for loud reading of worksheets. This will improve their reading as well as English skills. So, let me conclude here with some of the walnut advantages. Students are learning science, but no complicated and difficult language is used. Students get sufficient time to understand basics, otherwise, they have to learn it quickly when they start in standard 6. This means many of the concepts are already introduced, which makes their understanding easy in higher standards. A lot of topics are already covered before they reach there. So, Walnut students stay ahead. I would say Walnut students are tough outside and smart inside. That's what we are always trying to do, aren't we? I'm sure you must have understood and got an idea about the things that the students are covering in Standard 4. Thank you for patient listening. Have a good day. Bye.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.